Hey everyone, welcome back to Keys Tool Reviews. Up until now, every single video on this channel has been filmed using my iPhone 13. But today I've got something different. I ordered a budget vlogging camera from Amazon for around $34, but they sent me something completely different. So today we're going to find out if the W&O Q7 vlogging camera can actually replace my iPhone 13. I'll be testing the video quality, autofocus, audio, the low light, stabilization, and more. So, watch both cameras and tell me in the comments which one you think looks and sounds better before I reveal my choice at the end. So here we are. Let's see what comes in the box. I've already cut the shrink wrap off. I've not looked inside of it yet, but here we go. Okay, so looks like it comes with some little bedazzled jewels. A big old manual we'll look at here in a minute. Here is the camera itself. The ad said something about a memory card, so let's see. Oh, it's right here on the inside of the camera. And it looks like you get a 32 gig memory card, a USB-C charger, and a lanyard. Looks like maybe 2 lanyards. I'll have to look into that. Alright, so that's not bad for $34. Let's take a closer look. Right away, this thing is a lot smaller than I expected. It feels really lightweight. Looks like you probably have to manually 180 it, I believe is what the listing said. Camera head rotates, which is a pretty cool feature. I like that. It's got a built-in mic, and from what I can tell, it shoots up to 4K is what the listing said, but some of the reviews said that it only shot up to 2K. So let's power it on and see how it looks. All right. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can flip the screen around here for you. And there is the charger and stuff on it. Let me tap on this and see if it will focus on that screen better. All right. So I'm not going to go through everything on the menus, but let's go through the menu here and look and see what we've got. Looks like we've got video direction, resolution, loop recording, video rate, photo size, timer, burst shot, timestamp, composition line, screen brightness, screensaver, auto power off, volume, language, format, date, time, default setting, and version. Alright, so let's go through and look at our resolution here. Okay, so yeah, 2K, 1080, and 720. Does not look like the 4K is advertised, or as advertised. So let's go down here. Let's look around. Kind of wanting to see if there's a stabilization. but I'm not sure if there is. Horizontal or vertical, so it looks like you can change that. Loop recording, you can 1 minute, 2 minutes, or off. Sorry guys. The video rate, slow, fast, or normal. Photo size, 25, 20, or 10. It's like a timer off, 25 or 2 seconds or 5 seconds. This is your burst shot, off or on. I guess I will try to go through all the menus here. This is your timestamp. For me, I would want that off, so that's what I'm going to turn it to now. Your composition line. And this is what happens when you film with an iPhone 13. It does not want to focus. Off or on. Screen brightness. Looks like it goes up to 8. Screensaver. Off 1 or 2 minutes. Auto power off. Looks like 5 minutes is the default. Volume. Let's turn that pesky beeping sound off. Language. We'll see what languages it has. English, Netherlands, Turk, French, Dutch, Portuguese, Spanish. Yeah. We'll leave it with English here. Our format, you can format the SD card, I assume. Your date and time. So I'll go ahead and set this to what it is now for me. So right now it is 11:11. All right. Default setting and your version that you're running. All right. So now we're going to put this to the test. Okay. So I'm going to switch cameras. We're going to film the exact same clips and we'll see how it compares. So here we are. We're going to film the W&O Q7. We're going to test the two, see which one films better, see which one it is that might take over for the rest of the video and the rest of the channel's history, I guess, and we will see. So go down in the comments right now and let me know which video is better, video 1 or video 2. So here we are. We're going to test this between the two. This is us filming the W&O Q7 camera. So we're going to see which one sounds better, which one has the better quality, and which one may end up taking over as our camera from here on out. Alright, so we're going to test walking around here, see which one gets the better stabilization, what has the better quality, the sounds, what handles better in the low lighting. So just kind of excuse me here as I step over some things that have fallen in the floor that I've not yet to pick up, because I am working in my shed right now. All right, so I'll compare these side by side, and you guys can let me know which video you guys like better. Alright, so we're going to test walking around here, see which one gets the better stabilization, what has the better quality, the sounds, what handles better in the low lighting. So just kind of excuse me here as I step over some things that have fallen in the floor that I've not yet to pick up, because I am working in my shed right now. Alright, so I'll compare these side by side, and you guys can let me know which video you guys like better. And here is my iPhone in the lighting, and as you can tell, it does not do nearly as good as the Q7. Alright, so we've got the light on with the Q7. So we're going to see how this films in a low lit area. I am in the very back of my shed with the lights turned off. So we're going to see, like I said, we're going to do a comparison with the lighting. This is on the iPhone. We're going to do some focus testing here and see. Alright, so we're going to try these at different distances to see if it autofocuses. So we're going to focus on this, way out there. We're going to take it away, bring it right back for a second. This is on the Q7. So this clip here is on the iPhone 13. Let me know which one sounds better. This is part of the audio test. This is the audio test on the Q7. Let me know down below which one sounds better. So now we're going to do a pan shot and see which one picks up better. So now we're going to do a pan shot and see which one picks up better. This is with all of my shed lights on. So we're doing a side-by-side comparison. This is with all of my shed lights on. So we're doing a side-by-side comparison. So here's what I like about the Q7. It's super affordable. Let me turn it off here so I can show you guys. All right, it's super affordable. I think it was like $39.99 on Amazon. I can drop the link below, or if you guys want to ask, I'll send you guys the exact one that I ordered. It's compact, it's lightweight, you can rotate the head. It's very simple to use, comes with the memory card. Some of the cons, I kind of wish that it had the auto rotating head, but other than that, and also the autofocus, I wish it did a better job on autofocusing. But you guys tell me in the comments what you guys think. So would I recommend the W&O Q7? If you're expecting a professional camera quality, then no. But if you're just starting out on YouTube and you need a budget-friendly camera, this one might be worth a look. I'll still be using the iPhone 13 for a lot of videos, but this camera will definitely have a place in my setup. I've got some other stuff that I'm going to try. I've got my GoPro somewhere. I've got to find it. I've got my gimbal that I'm going to try. Tripods, some other stuff that I'm working with. But, you know, like I said, if you guys like it, go down, let me know. Oh, these are another perk, I guess, if you like stickers and stuff. So there's another pro for you. But if you like it, go down in the comments, let me know which camera looks better. so on and so forth. If you enjoyed this review, make sure you hit that like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. I've got more tool reviews coming, automotive tips, budget tech coming soon. As always, real tools, real tests, real results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.